think they're in the other tree. Unless they flew past.
I don't know. I think they're all right in this tree now.
Oh, yeah. I want to catch whenever they all swarm away.
That's what I want to catch a video of. Is I won't. That's why I'm just hoping to get lucky.
Like, you think it's that, like, maybe it would rain, but it's not raining.
I swear they do this every night, but not on this scale. Like, I'd say usually about half this many birds.
Another time we do it. There's no wind and there's no rain.
I like our house. Because the birds come every night.
They do this every night, don't they? But not so many. This is a lot more.
Yeah. I think it's good. Oh no, 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 oh no. Mama, what's that stick in my butt?
It's like the one bird is going back and forth from one tree to the other, like with a message. So weird.
Mama, what's that stick in my butt? I didn't mean to.
No, guys, stop it.
Did you get that on?
Yeah, that was on camera.
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
And you can't see the stick. Mommy!
There it goes. I got it.
No.
Oh, that is so weird.
Do it.
And it is going on YouTube.
Mommy, get that stick in.
Weird. Look, there's some more.
And then insane.